one of the guys were telling me, women don't ever make it in this sport, so you shouldn't even waste your time. And I looked at him like, why would you say that to me? I'm not gonna listen to that. I'm gonna work hard no matter what. I'm Brehanna, I am 28, and I am the first Black woman professional pit crew member and tire changer. It was my senior year in college when I found out about pit crew tryouts. Pit crew, like, what is that? Coach was like, you're the only girl that's coming in here to try out today. Oh, really? Oh, that's what's up. I was shocked. Wow, there's still people out here being the first to do something. You know, it had to happen one day, and I guess it was starting with me. After the tryout, coach was like, you'll definitely be hearing back from us. I ended up getting the call, you get invited to come back to be a professional pit crew member. Yes, it's such a relieving feeling just to know your hard work just keeps paying off. When I'm at the track, makeup is more of mascara. At the end of a race day, I can literally wipe my face and see all the hard work from that day. You know, a lot of brake dust, oils flying from out of my impact wrench. But I'm beautiful with makeup, without makeup. Beauty is everywhere. That's what I love about Sephora, because Sephora does a really, really good job with having that diversity, you know, that people need to see to make everyone feel welcomed. Because representation really does matter. For some reason, I just had it like really, really hard coming up, and people don't like realize that. My mother's my hero. Seeing her like fight with breast cancer. She passed away when I was 14 years old. She always told me that I would be somebody very special in the world. It makes me emotional just thinking about that. That gave me like another form of motivation that I didn't even know that I had. From there on out, I just went hard in the paint. Now I gotta keep continuing being the woman that she always knew I could be. Showing people that women belong in this sport, and Black women too. And they can be like, hey, you know, she's out there doing it, I can do it too. So I'm glad to be that example.